guys, so this workout is a part of our 14-day Hourglass figure workout. So if you have not joined, make sure you head to my Facebook group, Fit Queen Team, and join in. This challenge is totally free, so you have no excuse not to be getting fit in 2021. So if you want results like these ladies right here, make sure you click that link in the description and join in. I hope you enjoyed this workout, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, ladies.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time. Set up feet. Do some stupid shit. Take a seat. Let me waste your time. So put your for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me, let me waste your time. Set up feet, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. Set up feet. Night after night, oh, searching after miracles.
goals this year? You want to work out with me live on Zoom and have me coach and train you to your fitness goals?
Also, bring your head up when you crunch.
Well, it's time for you to join my Total Body Transformation Team. My Total Body Transformation Team is an online virtual fitness coaching program. You get customized workouts, customized nutrition program, and I'm going to be your personal accountability partner. If this sounds like something that you're interested in, go to my website, DejaFitBeauty.com, to get more information.
Of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. Strange brew is what we're used to. Get high all life, that's me and you. Run away to the sunset. Run away with the skyline far behind. Strange brew is meant for me and you. my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, 'cause we will still be high when the lights out. When the lights out.
day 12 of the 14-day challenge. I am so super proud of you for making it this far. If you like this kind of content, don't hesitate to subscribe because I post daily videos, daily workout videos every day, so you can wake up and get a really good workout in every single day. All right, ladies, thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time. Bye.